Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how to add any link to the Facebook story. So I'll try with the YouTube link now. So let's go to YouTube and find any video. So let's search FIFA World Cup BZM. Now go to the video and under the share section you'll find copy link. Now as the link is copied, now tap on the Facebook app and click on create a story and click on any image. After you select your picture, or it could be your video or any reel, don't worry, you can add link to any of the medias. So after that, click on stickers. Here you'll find different options. You can add AI stickers, you can add additional images, blocks. So what we need to do is click on link because we need to add a link. Now paste the link that we copied from YouTube, and you can also add a text. For example, as it was FIFA, so we can just write FIFA and it will come up with the name FIFA. Or you can also add click here or subscribe to the channel, like that. After you click on add, yes, it will add. Now you can zoom in, zoom out, you can place it anywhere around the story. Just I'm gonna put it up here. Now, after you publish this story, and if anyone clicks on this FIFA, they will be redirected to the initial YouTube video that I had copied the link from. That is how it will work, and this is how we can add any link to the Facebook story. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. So